made a lot of content on Insta360 cameras over the last 12 months, and the question I'll get asked the most is, which camera should I buy? So in this video, what we're going to do is cover each of Insta360's 360 cameras, talk about the disadvantages, the advantages, the shared features, the non-shared features, and hopefully help you make some kind of decision about which camera is the right one for you. Insta360 X3. First of all, let's just talk about what this is and who it's for. So this is their consumer action waterproof 360 camera. It's for the person who wants the latest 360 camera, because this is the newest one they've produced and it is probably the best 360 camera you can buy on the market. It's for somebody who probably hasn't used an action camera or 360 camera in the past. It's very simple, very intuitive, quite easy to use. It's for water sports, motorsports, action sports in general, and you get the best of both worlds with this. It's 360 camera and it has a 4K single lens mode on this, so it is sort of a normal action camera as well as a 360 camera. It's compact, it's sleek, it's got this easy to carry design that sort of slips into the pocket. It has the biggest screen out of all of the cameras, and that is probably one of the big advantages of the X3. I love this big screen. You can see yourself for vlogging, using me mode on this, which is perfect for social media, Instagram reels and stuff like that. You've got the biggest screen so you can see yourself. It's sort of got this vertical form, which is, I like it, just goes into the pocket. It's sleek, I do like it. The Insta360 One RS, this is their sort of standard action cam, but it's the most versatile camera that they make as well. It's interchangeable, so you've got interchangeable lenses, upgradability options, and it's, again, for the best of both worlds. It shoots invisible selfie-stick 360 footage with the 360 mod, but then if you take it apart, like so, you've got the 4K boost lens, which is capable of shooting up to 6K in widescreen, and you've got a really capable action camera as well with just a normal 4K fixed field of view lens. This is probably for somebody who's looking to upgrade their current action camera. If you've got an older GoPro like a GoPro 7, maybe this is a good upgrade. Somebody that doesn't have any action cameras, you're looking to get your first one, this is probably one of the cheapest on the market at the moment. If you buy the single 4K boost lens on its own, it's about $250, $270, depending on where you buy it and when. But if you buy it with the 360 mod, the twin edition, which comes with both of these lenses, then it's $549, and you're essentially getting two cameras in one. So this is kind of like for family day-to-day trips, for action sports, again, skiing, mountain biking, whatever you're doing with that 4K boost lens, and then you've got the 360 mod as well on there, so you get the best of both worlds. If you're looking for a camera that's versatile, easy to use, has the upgradability options, then this is the one for you. The Insta360 One RS 1-inch 360 edition is the next one. Now this is their premium 360 camera, and this thing is a beast. You've got dual 1-inch sensors on this new mod. Again, it's upgradable because it's modular. It works with the same core that you get with the One RS, but it comes with this vertical mount, the vertical battery, and then you get the 1-inch lens mod on the top for unparalleled low light performance and image quality with these 1-inch sensors. The 1-inch sensors are Leica engineered, so you get the best image quality out of your 360 camera. And again, it has this sleek vertical form, although it is heavier and bigger than the Insta360 X3, it's still quite a sleek and compact design. So this camera is for somebody who wants to get the absolute best 360 footage from their 360 camera. It's great for commercial use, high-end client shoots, and a perfect camera for virtual tour businesses. If you have somebody that does virtual tours for estate agents, this one's the one to get. You're going to get some amazing footage, especially from the photos from this camera, which are 21 megapixel 360 photos for amazing quality in low light HDR photos as well. So those are the three cameras. That is who it's for, and there is a difference in price between these cameras. Now the Insta360, the consumer one, is $449. Don't forget you've got the versatility of 360 and you've got the 4K single lens mode, you've got me mode, you've got the biggest screen, you've also got one of the best battery lives on any action camera you can buy on the market at the moment. The Insta360 One RS 360 1-inch edition is $799, so it is the most expensive, but you're getting the best image from any 360 camera on the market. And the twin edition, which is the 4K boost lens and the 360 mod, is $549. So when it comes to image quality out of these three cameras, you're getting great image quality out of all of these three cameras. Let's just get that thing straight right away. But if you're after the best image quality, then it's the 1-inch version of the RS. It's important to know that other factors also impact image quality. Things like noise, color accuracy, dynamic range, sharpness, contrast, exposure accuracy, white balance artifacts, those kind of things all affect the image quality. So what you're getting with these dual Leica engineered 1-inch sensors is just the best image quality, because of all of those factors are just honed in the best with this camera. So if you're after the absolute best image quality, then the 1-inch camera is the one to go for. The price does reflect that, but if that's imperative, it's really important to you, then that camera is the one to go for. The Insta360 X3 is a really good quality camera as well. 5.7K recording on this, and you do get some amazing pictures. This year to note as well, if you're a fan of bullet time, which is where you can throw the camera around your head, you get these really amazing vortex effects, then this does 4K 120 bullet time this year. That's brilliant. And there is a new Me mode on here this year, which gives you that invisible selfie stick look using one of the Insta360's sticks, but without shooting the big file sizes of 360 footage. So if you want to do vlogging, for instance, with an external microphone, but still feel like you're getting filmed by a third person, it gives you a really unique look, then Me mode is the mode to use, because it shoots in 1080p, 60 frames per second, just updated with the new firmware. It looks brilliant, and it's a really just an amazing look. You can of course get the 360 invisible selfie stick look, third person view with all of these cameras. That is one of the features that all of these cameras share. You can get a free invisible selfie stick if you buy the X3 through the link in the description down below. So if you do want to buy one of these cameras, then there will be links in the description, and it helps this channel if you do purchase through that link. You don't have to, but it does help out, and you will get the free gift with all of these cameras, I'm pretty sure. So just check out, I'll keep it updated over the weeks and months as well. Yeah, water resistance, the Insta360 X3 is 10 meters waterproof, the RS is 5 meters waterproof, and it's only IPX3, like I said, water resistant on that one. So overall, pretty amazing cameras. The choice is for a normal person. If you're just an everyday shooter, then the choice is probably between these two cameras. You've got the versatility of the RS, the modular design, the upgradability, the great battery life again on this, and unparalleled performance when it comes to flow state stabilization, 4K 60, that kind of thing. Probably good for action sports people who want the versatility of 360 footage every now and again. That's probably who this camera is for. The X3 is probably a great camera for everybody. If you're unsure, then I would go for the X3. An amazing device, 360 footage, 4K single lens mode, I've found to be very, very good, and it's got some really high-end features like 4K bullet time. They've just updated it to add slow-mo 100 frames per second in 3K as well, which looks brilliant. Really easy to use, and that's something I should mention. All of these cameras are compatible with the desktop studio and the app, which is something not to be intimidated by. It's very easy now. The days of having to edit 360 footage and it being a pain to do are gone. The app is really intuitive and miles above, class leading in fact, when it comes to the application for all of these cameras. The desktop studio is brilliant. If you want to get the absolute best image quality out of your 360 camera, then use the desktop studio. It's very intuitive, and if you've got any slight experience with editing video, keyframes, things like that, that's probably the best thing to do, and you get the best quality out of it. But yeah, so the normal people are probably torn between these two. I would personally go for the X3. This wasn't going to be a recommendation video, this is just going to be a buyer's guide, and for you to decide. if I was going to choose one, it would be the X3. If you're a professional and absolutely need to have the best image quality, then it's a must-have for the 1-inch. You're not going to be using this for action sports underwater. It's not an action sports camera. It's not to be mounted in different places. It's just specifically for the best image quality in certain situations, the best low light performance, and for pro client work in general. So that's what that one is for. So overall, 3 great cameras. Really do fully recommend them. If you want to buy any of them, there will be links in the description down below. Feel free to drop me a comment down below any other questions you have about these cameras. I will try and answer them as soon as possible. And stay tuned. Subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads, because we've got plenty of new things coming in 2023, not only with Insta360 but with other big brands as well. So stay tuned. That's it for this one though, guys. I hope it helped. If it didn't, then let me know in the comments down below and I'll try and answer all the questions I can. Until next time, see you on the next one. Bye.